Yeah, talking about Melbourne, well, when we lost the toss at Melbourne, I was very worried because if Australia would have got a very big score on the first day in their first innings, it would have been really difficult with a batting lineup consisting of five bowlers because Rahane replaced Virat Kohli with Ravindra Jadeja. He added that extra bowling option. Well, you know what? It paid dividends. Ravindra Jadeja scored very crucial runs in that partnership in the first innings, more than 100 runs with Ajinkya Rahane. He also picked up crucial wickets. His spin compatriot, Ravichandran Ashwin, well, he made Steve Smith his bunny, getting him out once again on a score below 10 runs. And we got the Australians on the mat on day one. They were bowled out, rolled out for 195. So, yes, it was a very good boxing day for us, and that's where the change began to happen.
You made a very interesting remark about Ravindra Jadeja. When all the talk was around strengthening the batting in the absence of Virat Kohli, one of the premier batsmen in Test cricket, Indians defied all the logic and went in with the extra bowling option. Strengthened the bowling because they wanted to pick 20 wickets, and it was a masterstroke because Ravindra Jadeja not only bowled those crucial overs, he, like you said, scored a very important 50 in the context of not just the match but the entire series, how it panned out later. So yes, it was a very interesting change, and Indians made five changes in that match. Prithvi Shaw was also dropped after that horrible first outing. Shubman Gill, the debutant, what a player he has turned out to be, as we saw at the end of the series. So he was also a good selection for the Indians at the top. Much credit should be given to the stand-in captain Ajinkya Rahane. Your thoughts on Ajinkya Rahane's captaincy, especially the move to bring on Ravichandran Ashwin in the first 10 overs, in the first 40 minutes.
Correct, Abhishek. Ajinkya Rahane has been outstanding in this series as a captain, especially when after the Adelaide Test match, the regular captain Virat Kohli left, and at that point of time, bringing this team together along with the coach and the staff, backroom staff. Well, on day one itself in Melbourne, most of the wickets that fell was because of Rahane's captaincy. Talk about Steve Smith getting caught out in the leg slip, Marnus Labuschagne getting that flick wrong, caught on the leg side, and Travis Head, he had a fly slip, a sort of a fly slip instead of the third slip for him, and we got Travis Head's wicket. So yes, he was brilliant. And one more thing that came out of the Melbourne Test was the other debutant, Mohammad Siraj. Well, what a find he is for India. He came in, did not get any over before lunch on day one, and when he got his chance to bowl, he got crucial wicket of Marnus Labuschagne to begin his career with, and then picked up Cameron Green in the first innings, came back and picked up two more wickets in the second innings. Later on in Brisbane, as we all know, went on to lead the inexperienced bowling attack. So yes, it was a dream series for Mohammad Siraj as well. And both the debutants in this test match, I think, have a great future with India, Shubman Gill and Mohammad Siraj.